Hey, how's it going? It's Jeff here. And in this video, I want to personally invite you to a live webinar that talks about the Christmas lighting business and how, from my own personal experience, installing Christmas lights can help you earn some extra money this year, maybe as a side hustle, or maybe you like to do this as a new business venture, or maybe you like to add Christmas lighting services to an existing business that you currently own. And I'm going to be hosting that live webinar on April 19th, 2024 from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, I'm going to be hosting that webinar on Friday, April 19th, 2024 from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, in order to reserve your spot for that webinar, all you need to do is simply click the link that you see on the screen here, and I'm also going to put the link to that landing page in the video description of this video. But just so you'll know, the link or that page that you're going to want to go to, it's going to say something like christmaslightsdesign.com/webinar. And then once you click on that landing page, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the button that says save your seat or reserve my seat now. And once you do that, I'm going to send you all the details that you need to attend that live webinar. So again, that live webinar is Friday, April 19th, 2024 from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I would love to have you show up to that. I would really be honored if you did that, because I would really love to get your feedback about that training. And just so you'll know, towards the last 10 to 15 minutes of that webinar, we're going to have a Q&A time. So if you're on the fence about the Christmas lighting business, or you're kind of thinking, well, can Christmas lighting help me? Can it help me to earn some extra money during the holidays? Can it help me maybe to pay off some college debt, or maybe get some extra money so I can, take a vacation? Or will the Christmas lighting business help to support me and my family? Or maybe even you have an existing business and you're kind of, you're thinking, okay, maybe the Christmas lighting business will help me, but I don't know for sure if this will help to keep my employees working throughout the season, especially during those slow months. And I would tell you, if you have any of those questions or any other ones, I would tell you that yes, Christmas lighting can help you with those particular questions and more. There's many ways that the Christmas lighting business can help you, because it is absolutely helped me and my family. And I'm going to share a little bit about that in that training. So more specifically, what I'm going to be talking about in that webinar is, number one, I'm going to be addressing some common pain points and fears of starting a Christmas lighting business. And I would say for starting any type of business for that matter. Then I'm also going to be sharing a very small amount of just a little bit about my own personal journey of how installing Christmas lights professionally has helped me go from broke, unemployed, and how this Christmas lighting business completely turned my life around. How now I'm a business owner. It's actually provided the financial stability, financial independence, and time that I could actually complete a 7-year graduate degree, as well as support my family and myself, as well as write 3 books, start and host a top podcast, create other courses. In addition to that, it has helped me, given me the time that I could start other businesses and coach other individuals on starting and running a Christmas lighting business, or really any other type of business. So I'm really going to be sharing that from my personal journey, just as an encouragement to you that of the many benefits of starting a Christmas lighting business. And so with that, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of starting a Christmas lighting business. And then also I'm going to be sharing some quick tips for starting your business, not just the Christmas lighting business, but really any type of business. And then I'm also going to be sharing with you some information about some training that I believe will give you your roadmap to success. And so if you have those questions, then I would strongly encourage you to sign up to reserve your spot for that webinar now, because it's only reserved for the first 100 people. And again, I'm not saying that from a scarcity way, but just to encourage you to do that. Now, if for some reason You've signed up for the webinar and you have every intention of joining the webinar on April 19th. But let's say it's April 19th and something happens, you get real busy, life gets in the way because let's be honest, we're very busy people. We have a lot of hats to wear, and life just gets in the way. So let's say you can't attend, but you've already saved your spot for the webinar. Well, I've got great news for you because there will be a recording of that full webinar. So as long as you've reserved your spot, you've gone to that landing page, you've clicked on that button that says save my seat or reserve my spot, whatever that says, and you're one of the first 100 people to do that, you're going to actually get an email from me that's going to show you how you can access that full recording of the webinar. Now, let's say that you're watching this video right now and it's after April 19th. You didn't know about the live webinar, but you would like to watch that webinar. Well, you can easily gain access to that recording. And all you need to do is go to that landing page that I mentioned earlier, click on that button, and then I'm going to send you the information. After the webinar is over, I'm going to show you how you can actually watch that full recording of that webinar. And so with that, I'm just going to wrap it up by just reminding you again that webinar, the live webinar, is April 19th, 2024 from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. And to reserve your spot now, simply go to the link that I mentioned earlier. That's the link that has the word webinar in it. And then click that button that says save my seat or reserve my spot. And once you do that, you're going to be able to register for the webinar. And with that, I look forward to seeing you then.